Hey everybody, hello and happy new year. So wintertime in Washington State is a good time to get caught up on your boat maintenance. A lot of things break down or fail during a fishing season, things that can be ignored. And one thing I noticed at the end of the season when taking the boat from Tacoma to Seattle to the Metallica concert is my hardtop frame that's lasted me over a decade that I built myself has cracked. So this whole support here, look, it's even cracked here into the main support, but right below the weld is cracked all the way around and up right here. So I built this myself. I cut every stick of aluminum, I ground it, I welded it, and some later additions I even riveted because I didn't want to weld, because dragging a welder into the boat and having sparks flying everywhere, it's a pretty tough proposition. So this welding all took place before the walls and the windows and everything was put on. I boxed these corners. Learned to weld aluminum on this project, as a matter of fact. And I did a lot of grinding. Yeah, I'm not a professional, but some of my welds, I stacked a few dimes here and there when I got lucky. And I definitely didn't grind those off. So this side is good, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to weld up the cracks that I just showed you. This side is uncracked, but I'm going to fabricate a piece like an L shape or better. I'm going to weld, I'm going to add some extra support. For both sides, I'm going to put some L bracket or even a triangle and form it and weld it on there. Now this support broke years ago and I was like, well, it's not doing a lot, but it all adds up to being, I'm going to weld this support as well. Probably take out this bracket. So I just put in a flimsy little bracket in there to fix that up. So I'm going to get that welded. But one of the things that happens when you're underway in this boat is the boat kind of shimmies and the hardtop kind of shakes back and forth. And it's always done that, but I've become more hypersensitive to this fact just recently with these cracks. So what we got down here is the support is bolted through and there's a backing plate. And what we've got is just a big open space here that's got wires and things. So what I'm going to fabricate is a plate, or just like a wall that goes right in here, and it'll go tight against the gunnel, tight against the sidewall to help stabilize that shimmy and shake that the hardtop gets. This boat has seen serious Pacific Ocean swells, waves. It's crashed through stuff that I wish I had never even been out that day. Bar crossings that were just horrific. So we're going to get her all fixed up, and that's what wintertime's all about. So stay tuned. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.